In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to n8n for triggering actions, allowing you to automate workflows seamlessly. We'll be diving into a step-by-step guide that ensures you get everything set up correctly. So sit back, relax, and follow along as we navigate through the process. First, you need to go to the workflow section on n8n. This is the launchpad where all your automation magic happens. Once you're in the workflow section, you'll see the option to create a new workflow. Give that button a click. This initiates a blank canvas where you can build your connections and logic. Now, you should see a plus button on your editor screen. By clicking this, you're telling n8n that you're ready to add a new node, which is essentially a piece of your workflow's puzzle. In the search box that appears, type in Google Drive. This will bring up the different Google Drive options you can incorporate into your workflow. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on the Google Drive node. With Google Drive selected, click on the Actions drop-down menu. From here, you need to choose Create Folder. This action allows you to create a new folder within your Google Drive as part of your automated processes. Next, you'll want to select Credentials, which is crucial for authenticating and securing your connection with Google Drive. If you don't have existing credentials, click on Create New Credential. Here you'll be guided to set up your credentials properly. For Google API access, navigate to the Google Cloud Console where you'll type and search for the Google Drive API. Click on it and make sure to enable it. This is a critical step as it grants n8n the necessary permissions to interact with your Google Drive. Once enabled, go to the Client section and create a new client. When setting up this client, select Web Application as the type. You'll give it a meaningful name to easily identify your application later. Add the authorized redirect URIs that n8n has supplied. You'll want to click to copy to ensure you have the exact URI ready to paste at the Google console. After pasting the URIs, create the client. You need to copy both the client ID and the client secret provided by Google. Paste these back into the credentials set up on n8n. This connection is what allows n8n to communicate securely with Google through your account. Returning to Google Console, navigate to Audience and include any necessary email addresses allowed to use this application. Then, hit Save to lock those changes in. Back in n8n, you might be prompted to sign in with Google. Ensure you confirm everything step by step here, and there you have it. Your Google Drive should now be connected to your n8n workflow. This new setup empowers you to automate tasks such as creating folders or moving files based on triggers you define, freeing up your time for other critical tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in expanding your automation capabilities with n8n and Google Drive. Happy automating!